Hi, welcome back to my channel. This is Lisa of Aging Imperfectly, and I'm going to be demoing two hair dryers that I own, the Revlon One Step hair dryer versus the Dr. Knot by Conair Infinity Pro. Now I'm starting with this one. It's the first hair dryer I've owned in this category, and Brad Mondo just did a big review on it, so go check that out. I agree with some of it, but I will tell you more about it as we go. So this dryer, the advantage is it gets really hot really fast, which is also a disadvantage because it gets extremely hot and you can burn your hand with the tip of the dryer. I got pretty close to one of my daughter's ears and no bueno, so it gets too hot. It does have a low setting, which will also decrease the volume of air. It's still pretty warm. Now this one, the head is not detachable like the Dr. Knot, which is, I believe, a disadvantage. But the main problem I had with this, besides the heat, how it gets too hot, is the ergonomics. The handle of this Revlon is big and clunky, and I started getting carpal tunnel from it. I noticed when I stopped using it, the pains in my hand started, or they stopped altogether. So now it's very important with any heat styling tool to use the proper heat protection products, no matter what. I like to have my hair close to being dry, just mostly a little bit of dampness, so I can quickly run this through my hair, not keep it on my very color-treated hair. You want to be short and sweet with this kind of stuff so you don't do any more damage than you need to. So I liked the Revlon a lot when it first came out because it really changed my life with saving a lot of time. I saved so much time versus doing like the 1 hour blow dry like normal with the barrel brush and the hair dryer and all of that. That was just kind of literally back-breaking, and I wanted to just have this cool hair still. So links below to what I've used, the Loma, and then there's also a haircut I did. I've been cutting my own hair. It's a layered cut, and I did really well with it with my own hair and with my daughter's hair. So the next one, here's the Dr. Knot, and here's the big secret. I prefer this one. It's got a detachable head, which you use it just as a hair dryer. It's cute. The main thing is it's lighter. In addition to that detachable head, it's a lot lighter, and that said, the handle is much more ergonomic. You can't really see it when I'm holding it. It's an hourglass shape, so I did not have the same issues that I did with the carpal tunnel with the Revlon, and it does not get that hot. Now, I believe the dryer itself is only 1,000 watt compared to the 1,100 of the Revlon, so it is actually cooler. Now, the only thing I had beef with this was the low setting pushes out the same amount of air. It's cooler and that works fine, but it's the same amount of air, so I kind of like having a little bit of a lower airflow sometimes. That's the only issue that I had with this hair dryer. It's going to be much easier to clean too, and in a future video I will show you how to care for both of these dryers, because it is very important that you clean the motor of your hair dryer, you clean the brushes, anything with the brush, makeup, otherwise you want to clean the brushes regularly. So the winner in this for me is the Dr. Knot. You can already see how much smoother my hair is. I don't like having to pull on my hair very much, and that said, I feel like I have less hair loss with the Dr. Knot. I try to not pull it very, very tightly, and I try to go through each section small and precisely. You want to do that. And the Loma calming cream, I really like the product because it's a cream. You can also use it on your hands and your nails, allegedly. You can also use it on your hair dry, which I do. I'll help kind of seal the ends if I have any frizz on the bottom. Oh, main point about the Dr. Knot. It has an attachment that I did not include in this video because I do not need any more volume at my roots. This 3B, almost 3C at times curl pattern, I don't need any volume. I usually suffer from pyramid and mushroom head most of the time. So that said, the Dr. Knot is the winner, especially because I got it on clearance at Fred Meyer. It was half off for some reason, and I was like I really need another hair dryer, go figure. But this has really proven to be such a time saver. I mean, I'm not really going anywhere with the pandemic, but I might as well still feel good about it and taking care of my hair and my color, just the upkeep. Thanks so much for watching.